All right, it is time to do a CSS battle. Oh joy, I don't like this shape at all. I mean, this thing is something with like two of the border radiuses set to 50%. This is a subsection of this thing somehow. I don't know. Um, so what are we gonna do? The background. I'm gonna start off with just this, I don't know what color this is. Light color. There's only two colors. Well, I'm just light and dark today. And then the body. Don't even want to use the body. Probably not right now. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll move things up. Right now, I'm not even going to mess with it. I'm just going to ignore it and do this. I'm going to say background is this color. Padding is, I don't know, 50 and 25. Margin is 70 and 130. It's not tall enough. It's too wide. That's all okay. 80. That looks right. Less on the bottom. Is it lower? I don't know. 150, 80, 130. It's going to be more than 150. Oh, no, it's not. It's going to be less than 151. 10, 12, and then 180, 90, 2. And those numbers are weird because the margin of 8 on the body that I haven't done anything about. Try 70. That looks right-ish. Now border radius 50%, 0. Exactly backwards, of course. 0. All right, it's not 50%. It's 100%. Maybe it's in pixels. 100 pixels. Looks like 100 pixels. Okay, there's that. Now, the question is, can I duplicate that thing? It's going to have to be the first one. But let's just see if I can position it to match this outline, and then we need to mask it somehow. So I'm just going to reposition it further over. So it's going to be like 252, and this is going to be like 92, not 25, 22. I'm doing it backwards. 60, 50, 20. It's not over far enough yet. 102. And now it's too tight. That's okay. That's 150, 140, 30. All right, I'm going to do this so I can get its width correct. Did it move? Oh yeah, it did. Okay. 140. Nope, that's not the one I need to change. 8. Nope. 72. That may or may not be right. All right. Now this needs to be bigger. I'm actually going to put it back and get the shape correct. I don't remember what those numbers were. Uh, this one needs to be less, 90. This one needs to be more, 150, 170, 190. Okay. So 35 is too wide. What about 30? Nope, 35 isn't wide enough. I was wrong. 40. That's correct. Okay, now when we push it over 190 and 90, 100, 110. Okay, that looks kind of like the right spot. But now what does that mask look like? Is it a box shadow of the other one? Let's do a subsequent paragraph selector, which means we need a subsequent paragraph. And it's going to have a different margin than the first. It's going to be 72. And again, I don't remember the numbers because I'm not smart. There is the correct position. Can I now box shadow? It's going to be minus 20 pixels, 20 pixels, minus 10, 40, 0. Is that it? That might be it. Let's see if that's a match. Okay, that wasn't as bad as I expected. Now, can we make things less dumb? So first thing would be get rid of this. Minus 120, 140, 190, 210. All right, now they're all both off by the same, but that's, yeah, getting rid of position fix changes your margins because it ignores the body. So there's that. Why they're off by, it could be width, could be width. Not on that one. Okay. Is it one off on height? That looks better. Go back to 2. That may be a match. We'll see. Yeah, that's okay. All right. Background probably just needs to happen on that. Probably need the padding to stay on a paragraph selector, but that margin can move. Let's get rid of one of the paragraphs. Now stuff has moved around again, and that's okay. What's margin going to be? 70? No, not that one. It needs to move to 12 and 100. There we go. All right, now border radius is going to go up here. Box shadow. It's going to go up. Whoops. No cursor. There. And then we just need to finish positioning this one That's not it. Let's start with 0. Why am I getting 2 paragraphs? Oh, I'm not. It's just in the wrong position completely. Got it. All right. Now, which one is which? This one has to be the one on bottom. 200. That looks right. And then this will be 120, which of course moves that one. 80. Now the bottom of that one's wrong? Makes some sense. 80. Okay, that's correct. Can I move everything up again? I mean, technically, it's potentially possible since we're doing a box shadow anyway. Can I get rid of pixels there? I don't think I can. Technically, I guess we could get rid of the paragraph, have so basically this shape over here as the background, and then box shadow the background to the light color. Just make it big. And then have the body be this thing, also a box shadow, not the same one, of course, but we're already using the property, so we'd have to redeclare it. So let's try. So in theory, I can just get rid of that selector and use star there. And let's do box shadow here, and it's going to be 9. Saw a really clever trick for this. It was an inset though. Okay, 0, 0, 9-inch, not that one. 0, 9-inch, and light color. Okay, there is the basic thing. I have a paragraph still, so it's drawing. Let's make it not draw. So this is the HTML, and this one's the body. So the margin on the HTML, can I look at 0? That makes it worse. 120. So that kind of works. I think the problem is now this. That looks right. If that's not 120, what if it's 80? Okay, that's better. Background, I declare once. Margin, I declare twice. Border radius once. Box shadow, technically twice, but they are both needed. I don't see any better ways necessarily to shorten this other than like percentages and unit replace and that sort of fun. Um, I, I'm going to load my extension. I'm going to minify. I'm going to hit submit. And unless you want to watch me do silly unit replacement stuff, drop now because that's what the rest of this is going to be. Anyway, if you're dropping now, thanks for watching. See you next time. If not, hang around. I'll replace some units and try some percentages as margins. I think, for example, this one can be 50%. Yeah. And 80 is part of height. In theory, isn't easy. Let's try. Let's start at 25. 30, too much. 20, huh, can it be 20 here too? Yep. This one, can it be, what did I do? I hit 120? No, I changed that one. 80, this is a width, but it's no longer the same. I don't know. Let's call it 50%. 60, 70, 90, 100. That doesn't really help anything. 80 was better because it's at the end. 40, 0. Can my numbers, or not my numbers, my colors, background, white, light. That's close. Let's see. That's the wrong one. I don't know which one to pick for this one. That's 7 off also. So white, light pink. That maybe can be that. Nope, not even close. White, light pink. That's weird. Oh, because it's black. That's why. 6. And that. No, no replacement for that. Okay. And this one is going to overlap, so there's not going to be an alpha value we can use. Can padding be a percentage? I don't know. Does padding even matter? No. Yes, evidently it does. With the So it has to be something. Interesting. Uh, 40 pixels. 5ch. 100 pixels. 25 VW. 9 inches is already big. Okay, I'm gonna minify. Submit. 151. Any more spaces we can save? Since I used this twice, actually, I think I can get away with color. This value, semicolon, and then get rid of it there and there. That gets me one more character. Yeah, that's all I'm going to do today. If you stayed this long, thanks. See you next time.